It smells so good. Nice block heel. Girl, I'm telling you, that thing's starting to sag. Single cast bourbon and white oak, honey. Hey, classy people, welcome back to the channel. I did a little shopping today, so I wanted to share my hauls with you. I did a CVS deal today with my care passes. I went to Candle Day, Bath and Body Works with my sister, and we went a little shopping. I found a pair of boots I want to share with you all. So let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is my Candle Day haul. If you're not familiar, Bath and Body Works has Candle Day today, where candles that are normally $25 and $27 are only $9.95. So the first day, which is today, Friday, if you have the app, that's supposed to be the day for just the people that have the app to shop. Okay, and then Saturday and Sunday is for everybody, but who doesn't have the Bath and Body Works app? Now, seriously. So this is what I did. Before I went to Candle Day the other day, I decided to go through my candles and see just really how many candles I really have. And I have 12 unburned candles, and then I have like 2 over here in the living room, and then I have a bunch of my wax melts. Now what I mean by wax melts is I actually, when the candles burn down and they're not really lighting anymore, they burn right back out, I end up taking them, I sit the container, the glass jar in the freezer and let it sit in there for a while, and then the wax will easily pop out, and then I break it up, put it in a Ziploc bag, actually label it, I wash out the jar, and I put it back in the jar. So I've got quite a few. Let me show you. I have 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 jars that I can actually put in my wax burners, okay, which is so great because it actually extends the life of my candles. I have a wax burner in here in the kitchen, and then I have one over there by the TV, and I just cut them on when I come down here in the evening, and they smell up the room, okay? So that way I don't always have to burn my candles. I can if I want to, but it's not really necessary. And then I'm getting the maximum usage of my money, honey, because these candles are not cheap. So that's what I did. This is the Twisted Peppermint. So there it is in the little Ziploc baggie, and I just put a piece of paper, and I started doing it this way, just labeling it and zipping it back up, putting it in the jar. Yeah, and here they are in the basket. All right, so let's jump into the candles that I got today. I tried to get candles that I didn't already have, all right? Maybe some duplicates, but who knows? Let me know in the comments below what was your scents that you got today. Or what's your favorite scent? Tell me your favorite scent. Okay, this one is the Sugared Lemon Zest. Oh my gosh, this one smells so, it smells so clean. It smells so good. I had to get this one. Here is the description for this yummy smelling candle. I had decided that I was going to only get 6 because I already got 10. And I told my sister, I ain't spending $100 in here today. I'm not doing it. Okay, this one I've never had before. This is Ocean. This is actually one of the male scents. My husband has the body wash. I'm pretty sure he has the body wash. Probably has the lotion. But this one smells so clean. It is a really, really good smelling. Ocean is a very good smelling one. So I can't wait to try that one. We burned that one. I had to get my white gardenia, honey. I mean, it's white gardenia. Oh, I love strong smells. I'm going to be honest. I love strong. I love clean smells. And if I smell the candle and I barely smell it, honey, I'm not getting that candle. I'm putting that back. I want my money's worth. I want to smell it. Here is the fragrance information for white gardenia. Next, I got the sweet whiskey. I'm pretty sure, I don't think I have the sweet whiskey, but the sweet whiskey, oh, that sweet whiskey, it smells good too, honey. Fragrance information for sweet whiskey. And now this is my all-time favorite. I ain't even gonna lie. This eucalyptus mint. This eucalyptus mint. I'm a sucker for the eucalyptus mint. It smells, It smells so good. And the last one, my sister got me to get this one. I've never had this one before. This one is, well, actually, no, I take that back. Marianne got fall leaves or something like that. This one was a pumpkin pecan waffles, and I don't normally get ones that smell like food, but girl, honey child, let me tell you, ooh-wee, I wish I could smell it. Look at the container. It's so pretty. It smells so good. This is a very yummy smelling candle. I can't wait to burn it. So I got my little 6. So y'all already know. Y'all already know what I spent. And I got my little candle day bag for 2023. You better do it. All right, let's jump into the boots, honey. All right. Now, first of all, we went to Lane Bryant, and Lane Bryant has 50% off of all their shoes, okay? And they have wide calf boots, and I need wide calves for these ankles. So I tried on a brown pair, pointy toe, dress boot. They fit great. The only issue is that the insole inside the shoe, they had the cushion at the ball of your foot, and then you've got your toes. Well, they had the cushion stopping here, and then my toes had no cushion. I don't understand why they made them like that. I would have got those boots. They were $119, so they would have been half price. I didn't get them. Now, my sister Marianne, she got a black pair of boots because she wanted a black pair. So she ended up getting her boots, but I didn't get any. So we just decided to go right down in the same shopping center to DSW, and I got a pair of boots that were by Crown Vintage, and this is not my first pair of boots from Crown Vintage. I have like a black lower like booty from Crown Vintage, and I like them. Okay, so this is a wide calf boot, a must for me. Y'all ain't gonna believe this though. Let me show you this boot, and I'm gonna show you the boot with it on me. Now, I wore the boot tonight, okay? I wore the boot tonight. We went to dinner with my sister and my niece and my husband. The 4 of us went to dinner tonight, so I did wear them tonight. But let me tell you what, I wear a size 8, okay? These boots were priced, where's my tag? They were $89.99, okay? They are leather. The boots are leather. I tried the boots on in the store. I tried on an 8. The right leg zips up just fine. This is a wide calf boot. Why the left leg would not zip up? I mean, not at all. So apparently my left leg, my left calf is bigger than my right calf. A noticeable difference. Not when you visually look at me, but when I tried to zip that boot up, when I tell you that boot, the boot was like this. None of this will zip it up. So my sister went and got me an 8.5. We tried the 8.5, same issue. I had my leg up on the stool. She couldn't zip it up. I couldn't zip it up. So I said, well, this is how I zip my boots at home. Do y'all lay on the bed and put your legs up in the air and zip your boot? Because that's what I have to do, okay? So she was like, well, this is what you could do. You could buy them, take them home, and see if you can zip it that way. Because they're leather, they're going to stretch, and see if that works. So sure enough, that's what I did, but I couldn't zip it on my own. My husband had to help me zip that left leg, girl. So it's got the zip here. It is a leather boot, and it has that right there, which is always going to be great. So I've just worn the boot to dinner, and look, you can tell I've worn the boot, okay? So hopefully these big legs is stretching this boot out, so I won't have to do all that extra when I wear them again. But I do like that nice block heel, and very, very super comfortable boot. I do not have any boots this color, so This was a no-brainer, okay? I wanted the Vince Camuto. They had some Vince Camuto boots there, but they did not have my size. They had, well, they had my size, but I tried on the wide. Was it a wide calf? No. The boots that I wanted was Vince Camuto, but they didn't have my size in the wide calf. So I should have just got the Vince Camuto boots when Black Friday. I should have just gotten Black Friday. That's my fault. Let's move to CVS. All right, now I had 2 care passes, y'all. I had 2 care passes. If you're not a care pass member of CVS, what you doing? You should do that, okay? Y'all know I ain't be giving y'all no coupon deals, but you need to at least do your care pass because you're spending $5 and they're giving you 10. Why would you not take free money? But anyway, so I had 2 care passes. The reason being because my new care pass clicked and my old care pass was getting ready to expire today. So I had to use, I had $20 to spend. And this is what I decided to do. I decided to get this right here. This Nivea Skin Firming Anti-Wrinkle Neck and Chest Cream. And I need it, girls. Look. I need it. This stuff was, hold on, let me give you the correct price. I don't want to tell you the wrong price because when I scanned it with the app, this was $19.99, okay? So I told my husband, this can only be used on our necks. You can't be putting this nowhere else. It was $20. Let's see what it smells like. Now, it's got keratin and provitamin B5, firmer skin, and visibly reduced wrinkled in as little as 2 weeks, honey. So let's get started on this neck. Doesn't really have a smell, but I'm gonna take a shower tonight. It don't even matter, but let's just go on and start on it now. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, girls. Girl, I'm telling you, that thing's starting to sag. I'm 50. That thing's starting to sag, so we got to get working on that right now, okay? All right, so let me tell you what. This has a coupon. There was a $2 coupon off of this Nivea. That was great. So there was a $2 coupon off of the Nivea, and I had 2 $10 care passes. And because I had that $2 coupon, which was going to drop the cost of the Nivea by itself, and I had $20 to spend because this was $19.99, I decided to just throw in some Hershey Kisses that were $3.99. So that was a great deal to me. All right, so all my little savings came off. I ended up only having to pay $1.98 plus tax. The deal with the Nivea is there is a deal, extra buck deal. You spend $20, you get $10 extra buck. So, you know, I was not about to pass that up. So I got my little $10 back, and look what I bought. This Cremo body wash. This stuff smells so good. Is this a male scent? I don't know. And I don't care. My husband said it smells like a male scent. Okay, this actually was priced $10.29. And I had, how much did I have? I had 2 cents, you know, from buying stuff. I wanted my 2 cents applied. Yes, I did. This one right here is the Cremo All Season Body Wash. It is bourbon and oak, a sophisticated blend of distiller's spice, single cast bourbon, and white oak, honey. Rich lather, moisturizing, lightweight. This stuff smells really good. Okay, I don't know if it's a male scent. It's giving male scent, but it smells good and it smells very clean, and I'm here for it. I don't care, okay? Because I'm going to put my perfume on anyway, so it doesn't even matter. I wanted it. So I told my husband, we'll just both be using it. If you think it smells like a man, we can both. You can use it if you want to, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it tonight, and I'll let y'all know. Smells really good. All right, so once I did that, heck, all I had to pay was 96 cents plus, well, actually 69 cent. No, excuse me, 27 cent. And then 69 cent in tax. So 96 cents. Because I applied my $10 extra buck from buying the Nivea. Girls, I was so excited about my deals. All right, classy people, so that is it. If you like this video, would you give me a thumbs up? If you're not already a member of the Classy Crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications so you will not miss any of my videos. And I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep it classy. Bye-bye.